Hey guys, I found this 12 by 12 cradle panel in my studio, and it's had a lot of different things started on it. There's some collage and lots of layers, some gamsol lifting, and some gold leafing that has been put on randomly and not in the way that I want the gold leaf now. So I am going to scrape a lot of that out and then add more layers, just another layer, and see where we can push this painting. Thanks for joining me today. I have scraped quite a lot of this gold leafing that was on the painting off, and you can see that I scraped back down to a color which was probably an Indian yellow. That was a base color, and I've left some bits and pieces of the gold foil, and I am going to just paint over top of that and see what happens, how that covers, and we'll see where it goes. Let's paint.
Showed me how to reach for the best of myself. It's all good when you show the way, yeah. 'Cause even if I fall, ooh, I trust you'll stay, yeah, stay. Dark and cold, I know it's all good. to see what you already saw. You're the one to blame for the fact that I can reach for the best of myself. It's all good when you show the way, yeah. Even if I fall, I trust you'll stay, yeah. And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause I found the best of myself, yeah. We're sailing on across an open sea that's anxious, so calm. But I know now, either way, it's all good, 'cause I found the best of myself, yeah, yeah. 'Cause you show the way.
excavating and digging the gold leaf off, I think really made a difference in this piece, and it did leave tiny bits and pieces that are still peeking through and giving this piece a little bit of a glitz, and it just added to the history of the new layers that I put on this painting, and I'm much happier with it now. I did leave the collage piece that had some writing on it, and once this piece has had a little time to dry and set up, I may come back in and do a little bit of a simic writing, but I'm happy with where it is at the moment. So I am glad that you joined me in the studio today, and please like and comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I appreciate it, everyone. Until next time.